Good morning students. Today we are going to see classification of organic compound. Classification of organic compound can be done in by three different ways. So first we are discussing first classification idea. So according to the first classification idea, organometallic compound is classified into two different category, that is simple organometallic compound, second one is mixed organometallic compound. First we are going to discuss what is meant by simple organometallic compound. When only hydrocarbons radical or hydrogen atom is attached to the metal atom, then the organometallic compound are called as simple organometallic compound. They are further classified into two types, symmetrical and unsymmetrical. Just see what is meant by symmetrical organometallic compound and unsymmetrical organometallic compound. When your metal atom attach only one type of ligand, then that type of organometallic compound is known as symmetrical organometallic compound. In this case, just see mercury is attached with two ethyl groups, that's why it is the example of symmetrical organometallic compound. In this case, your lead is attached with a 4 ethyl group, that's why it is known as simple symmetrical organometallic compound. What is unsymmetrical organometallic compound? Such a organometallic compound in which your metal atoms is attached with different types of group. Just see in this case mercury is attached to ethyl as well as butyl group, so both groups are different, that's why it is simply known as unsymmetrical organometallic compound. Second type is mixed organometallic compound. When groups other than hydrocarbon or hydrogen attach directly to the atom, then compounds are called as mixed organometallic compound. Just see here, this magnesium is attached to hydrocarbon group, that is ethyl, as well as it is directly attached with the bromine atom. These types of organometallic compound is basically known as mixed organometallic compound. Second type of classification now we are going to discuss is according to second type of classification. The first type is derivative of main group element. The organometallic compound of main group elements form sigma covalent bond or ionic bond with a hydrocarbon. Just see in this case lithium is attached with methyl and it is the tetramer of your methyl lithium. In this case, just see 2 aluminum atom is attached with a 6 ethyl group. So this type of compound is basically comes under the title of derivative of main group element. Second type is derivative of transition element, that is a D block element. So transition metal form organometallic compound with a sigma as well as pi bonding ligand. It is important. Presence of such a ligand increase the stability of metal carbon bond. Just see manganese is come from your D block element and it is attached to methyl as well as CO, that is carbonyl group, 5 carbonyl group. Nickel is attached with 4 carbonyl groups and they are the D block element. That's why this type of compound is considered as derivative of transition element. Third type of classification is based on the nature of metal carbon bond. On the basis of organometallic compound, they are classified further into 5 types. Now we are going to discuss which 5 types. First type is ionic organometallic compound. Since ionic, the name itself suggests that the bond which are present between a metal and hydrocarbon is purely of ionic in nature. The organometallic compound of alkali metal and alkaline earth metal, with exception to some lithium, beryllium and magnesium compound, fall under this category. They are colorless salt-like solid which are soluble in polar solvent. They are generally reactive and kinetically unstable. They are insoluble in hydrocarbon solvent and when heated decomposes without melting. Just see the bond between this compound is purely ionic in nature. Single bonded organometallic compound. Metallic element of group 2, group 3, group 4 and group 5 as well as transition metal from organometallic compound in which metal atoms are bonded to carbon by sigma bond. It is important. In this compound, sigma bond is present. Group 2 metal from R2M type of organometallic compound whose stability increases with the increase in electronegativity of metal. So just see, in this case this magnesium is attached with because magnesium is coming from your group 2 element, that's why according to the general formula it attached with your 2-methyl group, and the bond is present between this methyl and this magnesium is of sigma bond. Group 3 organometallic metallics compound have general formula R3M. Just important here, it is R3M. For group 2 it is R2M. They exist in monomeric, dimeric, trimeric and tetrameric form depending on their state. Just see, CH3/3 ion is a monomeric in vapor phase while it is tetrameric in crystalline state. It is important. Group 4 element have almost similar electronegativities. However, the stability of metal ligand bond decreases with increase in size of metal ion. It is important. Thus, Si form most stable while lead form least stable organometallic compounds. So, in this case, we simply see that silicon is attached with your 4-methyl group and it is the more stable compound as compared to this compound in which germanium is attached with your 4-methyl group. Organometallics of group 5 have general formula R3M and they have tendency to add molecule of alkyl halide. Just see, in R3M, when it is R3M, it is denotes organometallic compound. Here M is coming from your group 5 element. When it is reacted with alkyl halide, the addition type of reaction taking place. Next type is halide. Halides are the compound in which metal doubly bonded with the carbon atom of the ligand. They are formed by the main group element as well as transition element. Next type is organometallic compounds with a multi-center bond. It is important. The electron deficient organometallics that exist in polymeric form come under this category. The element which have highest tendency to form multi-center organic compound are lithium, it is important, beryllium, magnesium, boron and aluminium. The compound of lithium and magnesium we are going to discuss in detail in further topics. These are two compounds of these two elements are generally asked in the exam. In this compound, the bonding cannot be explained on the basis of classical concept of chemical bonding. Just see, it is the tetrameric form of methyl lithium. So it is, why it is tetrametric? Because here it is written 4. Just see, it is the polymeric form of trimethyl beryllium. Here N is written. Next type is organometallic compound with a pi bonded ligand. These compounds are generally asked for 2-mark question in exam. Organometallics of alkane, alkynes and some other carbon containing compound having electrons in their pi molecular orbital are included in this type. Overlapping of this pi molecular orbital with a vacant orbital of metal gives rise to an arrangement in which metal atom gets bound to all carbon atom over which pi cloud is spread. Just see the formula of ferrocene, what all this means. In this case, we clear cut see that iron is attached, iron is shown attached with your or forming a bond with the circle. What it means? It simply means that this iron is attached to all the 5 carbon atoms which are the part of your cyclopentadienyl ring. This circle simply denotes the overlapping of molecular orbitals. Thank you very much.